The median sales price for Annapolis is $699,000 this week. It's Friday, April 18th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The actual median close price for homes that sold in the past 30 days is $697,000. Inventory fell 6.3% to 159 homes for sale in Annapolis, and the median time on the market is 41 days. 26 properties are coming soon. 44 homes went under contract in 6 median days. 32 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio and in 4 days. 51 of the 159 homes for sale are priced at $1 million or more. There are 31 homes for a lease at $3,000 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 18th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.